I'm here at St James's High School, and I've had one of our living ecosystems now for about 6 months, but we're actually going to ask them if they can help us with some really important aquarium maintenance research. So Becky, how's things been going with the aquarium so far?
We love having the aquarium in our classroom, so the kids are really excited when they come and see it every day, and it's been so easy to look after, so yeah, we're stoked.
So the plan is we're going to put 3 different types of nuisance algae in the aquarium, which is normally a big no-no, you don't want to introduce it, but we're going to cage off some hermit crabs to see if they eat the algae, and we're going to run our Revive and Thrive program to actually control the algae over a longer period. So first off, we're going to identify the algae, and then we're going to run that sort of 2 to 3 month research. We'll keep you updated on how this goes, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.